Hey everyone, Billy here. I am at a moose camp, ready for cooking. On this video, I'm gonna cook some good ham for Easter, my special recipe. The thing is, my fireplace for cooking is covered of snow, okay, about that deep of snow. Asado also. So I will show it to you how I do my cooking outside during springtime. Aha! Here we go. Well, as you know, under spruce or Christmas tree, like this one, there is less snow in the winter time. Well, with the spring, the snow melt and there is less snow, that would be a great place to build a fire right on earth. There we go. It smells so good. Ooh! I'm gonna get my pliers from my sponsor, Cabela Pro. I love these Leatherman. And I love Cabelas. Have a look down below. There is the link to get one of these. Oh! Ooh! It's ready. Oh. Mmm. 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 I taste very well. Mmm. Mmm. I taste very, very well the maple syrup. Oh, Brussels sprout, they're good. The snow is falling slowly. Got a fire, got a good meal. My friend, this is real happiness. So that was Billy cooking good ham for Easter, and I wish you everyone that you will have a great Easter with your family, your friend. Enjoy. If you get a chance also to cook this outside, that will be paradise. Hey, see you next time for another video, everyone. Live your passion, live the adventure. Woo!